Can you use YouTube TV with a VPN? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a hot topic, that is, can you use YouTube TV with a VPN? Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want better privacy, we'll break down how to make it work, the best VPNs, and how to fix common issues. So let's dive in. So first question is, does YouTube TV work with a VPN? So first things first, yes, YouTube TV can work with a VPN, but here's the catch. YouTube TV actively blocks many VPN services to enforce original restrictions, so not all VPNs will work consistently. So if you see an error message like YouTube TV is unavailable in your location, your VPN is likely detected, but don't worry, we've got solutions. So not all VPN can bypass YouTube TV's blocks, but here are some of all the best ones that usually work. First is ExpressVPN. So you can simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store and you can search for it. And the other one is NordVPN. So you can search for that. And after that, we have one other very good one, that is Surfshark. And then we have CyberGhost. So those were a few good VPN that are very good, but you gotta avoid free VPNs because YouTube TV is really good at detecting them, so they often don't work. So once you install the VPN, you gotta, just open that and then connect yourself to a server where YouTube TV is available. Then tap connect and launch the YouTube TV application. If everything works, you're in. If not, try switching servers or clearing your app cache. Even with a good VPN, you might run into some problems. So let's go over the most common ones and how to fix them. So problem one is YouTube TV detects VPN. So try switching to a different US server. Use a dedicated or residential IP if your VPN offers it. Or you can also clear your YouTube TV app cache and restart your device. And the problem number two is if you are facing low streaming or buffering. So you gotta choose a server with lower latency. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for a stable connection. And just keep in mind, YouTube TV is always updating its VPN blocks. So even if a VPN works today, it might not work tomorrow. So that's how you can use YouTube TV with a VPN. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you've had success with a VPN or if you need troubleshooting help. So I'll see you in the next video.